talking about diabetes. Diabetes, a very common myth is associated with it. That is, if you eat more amount of sugar, you develop diabetes one day. But dear friends, it is not true. Diabetes is caused because of lack amount of insulin production by our body. That is our pancreas. Okay. Now, we see that diabetic patients have many amount of restrictions. That is, they are supposed to have less amount of sugar, less amount of oil, more amount of fiber in their diet and so on. Today we will be making something very different and very interesting for diabetic patients. That is with some amount of oil. Today we will be making cabbage and palak tikki for diabetes, which is very yummy and very tasty. Let's see what are the ingredients which we need for making this tikki. We will need some amount of chana dal. Chana dal has to be soaked overnight and then it has to be coarsely ground with some amount of green chilies. Then we have some amount of besan, mint leaves, turmeric. This is some amount of dhania and jeera powder. This is cabbage which is shredded. Some amount of salt. Palak which is blanched and then pureed. Curd or yogurt and some amount of oil. So let's start and make our tikki. We'll take a bowl. First, we'll take this chana dal, which we have coarsely ground, and it should not be very watery. Otherwise, we won't be able to make a good tikki. It should have good amount of texture, right? In that, we'll add some amount of besan so that it will give some texture to the tikkis. 1 teaspoon is more than enough. We'll add palak puree. Now we'll add some amount of cabbage to it. Some amount of turmeric to give a beautiful color. Dhania jeera powder, that will also give some amount of texture to the tikki. Some amount of salt and yogurt. Now we'll mix this. Now we have added very good nutrition to this tikkis. You know palak is very good amount of iron in it, and along with that it has got good amount of coenzyme Q10, which is very cardioprotective. Along with that it has good amount of magnesium, which is very good for diabetes and blood sugar. And we have added cabbage to it. Cabbage will give it some amount of good fiber because fiber is required for it. And besan, you know besan have good amount of fiber, it has good amount of protein, and that's how it becomes a very delicious protein based with good amount of fiber, with good amount of nutrition because of palak, and it's a really tasty dish which can be served as a mid meal or a main meal also. For diabetic people, it is said that they should not eat outside food, and that becomes very boring and very sad for people. So, we make here something very interesting for them which appeals to their taste and which is also very healthy for them. You know, people with diabetes, their relatives are also very cautious that what they should be having, what they should not be having and things like that. So here our batter is ready, and we should make sure that it is bit thick in consistency so that we can make good amount of tikkis with it. Let's see how we can make it. We'll take some amount of batter in our hand and shape it in the form of tikki. It should be small and it should be not very thick so that it gets properly cooked when we cook it on the pan. We'll be using some amount of oil also. By the time we make tikki, I think we should make the pan ready for it. We'll take a pan which will be a bit shallow. We'll be using at least 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Not more than that. let it simmer for a while. We need to coat the base of the pan with oil so that the tikkis should not stick to the pan. Though we are using a non-stick pan, then too. Diabetic patients also have some issues with cholesterol, with some amount of lipid problems, blood pressure problems. So for them also, this recipe is very good because it is healthy and it will also help you to reduce your cholesterol levels. So now, this oil is shimmering and we'll add some tikki to it. We'll make 2 to 3 tikkis and then we'll shallow fry it. But yeah, definitely take care that there is not much amount of oil. Less amount of oil, but yeah, you can use oil. That is completely fine. If you want, you can pre-cook the chana dal so that it becomes very easy for you while you shallow fry it. So that less amount of time is required for cooking. So I have done the same thing. We'll just turn it now. It is commonly seen in diabetic people that they do not take their medications on time. But dear friends, make sure that you should have medications on time. Otherwise, it can really cause some problems. Also, you know what diabetic people should do? They should exercise for at least 30 minutes in a day. It is smelling very nice and see, it should have this brown color on it so that it becomes very crispy. Okay, now we need to remove this. We'll take a plate and some amount of tissue papers so that excess amount of oil can get soaked away. And look here, it's looking very amazing and very tasty and it's smelling really, really good. We'll just dab it. So this is soaking away all the extra amount of oil which is there. See now, it's looking amazing. Now we'll plate it. See, it's looking so yummy and delicious. I'll just eat this away now. You can pair this with some amount of green chutney which has got lime to it so that the iron which is there from palak get easily absorbed. Or some amount of yogurt which will act as a probiotic. Though we have added some amount of yogurt, but definitely you can add some amount of it. So see dear friends, our tikki is ready, yummy and delicious. It's a meal for diabetic people. It can go as a mid meal or it can go as a major meal like your lunch and dinner and you can enjoy it and really relish it.
कैबेज पालक टिक्की बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए भीगी हुई चना दाल, हरी मिर्च, बेसन, पुदीने की पत्तियां, धनिया पाउडर, छोटी बारीक कटी हुई पत्ता गोभी, नमक, पिसा हुआ पालक, दही और तेल। कैबेज पालक टिक्की बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक बोल में भीगी हुई चना दाल लें, उसमें 1 चम्मच बेसन डालें, पिसा हुआ पालक और कटी हुई पत्ता गोभी, हल्दी, जीरा पाउडर, नमक, दही डालकर उसे मिक्स करें। अब उसे छोटी छोटी टिक्कियों का शेप दें। फिर एक पैन में तेल गरम करें और टिक्की को हल्का गोल्डन ब्राउन होने तक फ्राई करें। अब इन्हें हरी चटनी के साथ एक प्लेट में सर्व करें। यमी कैबेज पालक टिक्की टेस्टी तो है ही, साथ ही हेल्थ का भी ख्याल रखती है।
Take care friends, stay healthy, keep smiling.
For more recipes, subscribe to our channel, My Food Stall.